Get your genuine Beats parts at centralsound.co. Enter promo code 20% off at checkout. Today we have a Beats Solo 3 wireless on-ear headphones. Today we're going to show you how to replace the battery. First, you need to pry off the outside panel. You can use a pry tool similar to what I have here. Once that's removed, you can see the battery. Be very careful not to pull on the wires that are connected to the outside panel. First, you would need to unplug the battery. Then you can use a pry tool similar to what I have here. A small flat screwdriver will probably work. You want to pry upward. Once that's removed, peel off the sticker if it came off. Place it back where it belongs. Here we have a Beats Solo 3 new battery. We sell these at centralsound.co. A genuine Beats part. Get your battery at centralsound.co, 20% off at checkout. Simply place the battery like so. Then you plug the battery back in. Place the outside panel back into position. Make sure it's lined up and it's flush. Once in position, gently apply pressure all the way around. You should feel it snapping into place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Get your Beats Solo 3 battery and other parts at centralsound.co.